how to record system activities with system tracing on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the Ultra, or the Edge. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on developer options. From here, we scroll down to the debugging section and then tap on system tracing. So in here, we code system activity and analyze it later to improve performance. Here, tap on record trace. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Or if you want, you can record CPU profile, record record heap dump, collect windscope traces, trace debuggable applications, and you can perform long traces as well as other settings per CPU buffer size, clear head dump processes, continuous heap profiles, view save files, clear save files, stop recording for bug reports, show CPU profiling quick settings tile. So we add it to the quick settings tiles up here. We can switch it off and show chasing quick settings tile in here. So you can turn on or switch it off. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.